Hello my dear German food friends. In this video I will show you how to make Germknödel, which are amazing fluffy yeast dumplings. They are especially popular at the Oktoberfest and a staple in the Bavarian and Austrian ski lodges. Let me show you how you can make them at home. You can find the link to the printable recipe in the video description. Start by adding the flour to a stand mixer bowl and create a well in the center of the flour. Then add sugar, yeast and about half a cup of warm milk into the well. Mix carefully and draw a small amount of flour into the well. Then cover your bowl with a clean kitchen towel and let it sit for about 20 minutes in a warm space. After the waiting time, add sugar, salt, eggs and the lukewarm milk butter mixture to the stand mixer bowl and blend all ingredients on low speed. Then increase the speed to medium and knead the dough for about 5 to 7 minutes. Cover the bowl again with a kitchen towel and let the dough rise for about an hour or until it has doubled in size. Knead the dough briefly by hand and then divide it into 8 equal pieces and shape each piece into a small ball. For the filled version, flatten each ball and place about 1 tablespoon of preserve into the center. Then close the ends tightly by pinching them together to conceal the preserve and lightly roll the dough ball seam down. For the unfilled version, just shape a ball by pinching the ends and then roll it on the countertop into a smooth shape. I already prepared my pot and filled it about with ½ inch of water and placed a steamer insert into the pot and brought the water to a boil while I was shaping the dumplings. Spray the steamer insert with cooking oil and place the dumplings into the steamer basket. Then cover the pot with a lid and steam the dumplings on medium-low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. Serve immediately with a generous amount of vanilla sauce and sprinkle it with poppy seeds and powdered sugar.